Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling commands so you can apply the night vision effect without brewing. Once done, open Chat with T and prepare a single-line command. This is faster than crafting. If you prefer automation, place a command block and set it to repeat and always active. That makes the effect persistent. Make sure your username is correct or use at S. This initial step gives you control. Next, you'll enter the exact command and adjust duration and visibility. Now give yourself the effect. Type the command using your player name or at S. For example, use /effect give at S night vision 99,999, 0 true to remove particles and last a long time. Once entered, you'll immediately see the world brighten. That's because the game changes your gamma client side for the status effect. If you use a command block, set it to repeat and always active so you never lose the effect. Make small adjustments to duration if you prefer shorter sessions. Finish by testing movement and visibility. You should see caves and mobs clearly without potions. If it times out, reapply the command or leave a repeating command block running near your base. If the command is rejected, double-check that cheats are enabled or that you have operator permissions on the server. Without them, you cannot grant effects. As a fallback, increase in world lighting or install a client resource pack that brightens dark areas. But commands are the simplest, reliable approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.